Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have household empties to share with you. Let's just jump right in. I have this American wrap. This was a pop-up aluminum foil sheet. You get 20 in here at the Dollar General in the Dollar Deals aisle for only $1. 20 of these. They were nice. They fit the entire cookie sheet pan, which I love for pan lining. I like these for leftovers. I didn't keep the whole package, but I just wanted to share my thoughts on it. I think these are actually a really good deal for 20 for $1. They are kind of thin, but not so thin that they rip. Still a very good deal. I also, from Dollar General, love these True Living shaped scrubbers. You get a 5-pack for only $1. Literally look like this. I love these so much. We'll continue to purchase them, and they do such a good job at getting my dishes clean. I have two Palmolive Ultra Strength dish soaps. This one is 18 fluid ounces. This stuff is amazing. I talk about it all the time. If you've never tried this one, you're in the market for a new dish soap that actually works, highly recommend the Palmolive Ultra Strength. It doesn't dry my hands out too bad, so I have an 18 ounce and a 28 fluid ounce here. This one had the easy pump on it, which I personally don't like. I would prefer the squeeze top or this flip top on them. I personally didn't care for the pump bottle, but that was just me. That's personal preference. Nothing against it at all. It worked fine. Just personal preference on what kind of cap I would like. But this stuff cuts grease so quickly. Absolutely love it for that. Love the Palmolive Ultra Strength. A new product that I've never reviewed in the household empties is this Palmolive Spray Away. This is supposed to be quickly dissolving, check on grease, basically a dish soap cleaner. You can also use this or like a quick spray for dishes, basically. Not like a cleaner, but like a dish soap, but in a spray form. Kind of like the Dawn spray. 16.9 fluid ounces. I did find this at the Dollar Tree. Even though I love Palmolive, this is not my favorite product. I would not repurchase this again, not even for $1.25 or however much their cleaning stuff is now. It was just okay. Just okay. I mean, you may love this. I just personally didn't. I like the Home Bright Ultra Foaming Dish Spray so much better than this here. It just works better in my opinion. It suds. The suds last a lot longer. It cuts grease better. Just in my personal opinion. And I love Palmolive, but I just won't repurchase this one again. This, however, I have like 3 backups in my cabinet because I love this one so very much. Don't overpay for this one either, unless the only place you can find it is Dollar Tree, because you can find this in the Dollar Deals at Dollar General for only $1. Highly recommend that one. This one's the Ocean Fresh scent. You can also find this in a watermelon scent as well. Fantastic. I have 3 of these Clorox Lavender with Eucalyptus. This is the In-Wash Scent Booster Crystals. I get these from Dollar General, Dollar Deal aisles. They are $1 each. I buy them, I pour them in my large container. I use them. The scent lingers on the clothes. The lavender isn't overpowering. You can smell it, but paired with the eucalyptus, it smells really good. It lingers on the clothes. Lasts a good while on the clothes that have been washed and hung up. I love these and will continue to repurchase these. This product, for the scent alone, I would repurchase this, but this is the extra nice and fluffy fabric softener dryer sheets. You get 40 in here, which isn't bad. I got these in the Dollar Deal aisles at Dollar General in the Floral Sensation scent. This is very like rose heavy and it is kind of strong, but it smells so good in the dryer. It does do what it's supposed to do, help with static, cling, and wrinkles and all that. But one thing it does that I'm not crazy about is ball up into the clothes, like in the pajama pants, or sometimes it'll be like stuck to the towel, wadded up into a ball. That is something that I'm not crazy about, but since they do what they're supposed to do, I will probably repurchase this scent in the future. Air fresheners here that were used in the bathroom. So this is the Wizard one. This is the refreshing watermelon scent. This was one that had like these little Orby like scent boosters in it. This thing was really nice. It lasted forever. It did absorb odors, but the scent itself was very light and you could barely smell it. It did do what its intended purpose was, to absorb odors in the bathroom, so I would repurchase one of these in the future. These little Natural Breeze, the air freshener gel in Sweet Rain. This one was, I love the packaging on this. Let's start off with that. I love the packaging. Found this at the Dollar Tree. This one came from the Dollar Deals aisle at Dollar General. This one was $1.25. This one was just okay. It had a really nice sweet scent, but it didn't fill the bathroom with scent or anything. It just absorbed odors. So I guess, I mean, in that sense it did its job, but I wish that it would smell more stronger of the scent that it was. Loved this one. Not only did this Wizard solid air freshener in vanilla maple syrup smell amazing, it actually had a really loud throw. It also absorbed odors, and I would 100% repurchase this one over the other two any day of the week. I love my cozy vibes. I love my fall scents. This is something I would keep in my house year round. I should have bought multiples. Love it. Regret not getting multiples. This came from the Dollar General Dollar Deal aisles. I have a Febreze air freshener here in Fresh Cut Pine. I use scents like this in my house year round because they are cozy to me. I like cozy scents. Pine and pumpkin and maple syrup, butterscotch, vanilla, caramel, all those kind of scents. Love it. Use them year round. I like fruity scents too, but Cozy Vibes is really where it's at for me. I love this stuff, this Febreze. I love the sprayer on this, the nice little fine mist that it gives, and this was fantastic. I'm on my second bottle of this. I had a 2-pack of it. It's a limited edition, like, scent for winter, but I had a few of these put back, so this stuff is great. Definitely repurchase this in the near future. It's amazing. Just have 2 more products to talk about. They are bathroom products. This was $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This is the Oxidol Cleaner Plus Bleach. Removes soap scum, grease, tough stains, 32 fluid ounces for $1.25. You really can't beat that. The sprayer on it had a couple different settings, like a spray and a stream setting, and an off option as well. I did enjoy this product. It worked well. Use this only in the bathroom, and it done what it was supposed to do. Not only did it clean, but it sanitized too, and I'm not mad at it. I would repurchase this in the future for a cleaner bleach. And then this Limex. This is comparable to the Lime Away Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is Limex Toilet Bowl Gel Cleaner. 16 ounces. It's supposed to do lime, calcium, rust. It's supposed to be tough on stains, hard water buildup, stuff like that. Did have a nice little nozzle on it, like you would expect a toilet bowl cleaner to have. This was a thinner gel, so it really didn't cling to the sides of the toilet. It clung a little bit better than the Lysol cleaner that I used in the past, but this was just, I mean, it worked. It cleaned the toilet, but it could have done a better job. It's comparable to the Lime Away, but would I choose it over the Lime Away? No. I would just pay the few extra dollars for the Lime Away if that's the one I was going to purchase, because this one did a good job, but it did struggle removing any kind of little hard water stains and stuff, even though that's what it suggests. Somewhat of a dupe, but not entirely. So it's just okay in that way. If you want something a little stronger than like the Lysol cleaner and stuff, then yeah, go ahead and grab a bottle of this. But if you have really tough stains, hard water buildup, rust, and all the lime, the calcium, and all that stuff, then definitely just splurge and buy the Lime Away. And that is all the empties I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful. Maybe you will try some of these products out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.